Welcome to Clickmyproject.com. The title of the project is a temporary pattern search algorithm for a personal history event visualization. The title explains to the personal history, event or records or to searching the pattern wise using some algorithm. The abstract. The TP is a novel algorithm for searching for a temporary patterns of event in historical personal histories. The traditional method of searching for such patterns uses an automated based approach to forward a single array of event sorted by the timestamp. TP is operates on a set of arrays where each array contains all events of same type. TP searches for a particular item in a pattern using a binary search over the appropriate arrays. Temporally ordered events can often reveal interesting information, understanding whether the particular pattern occurs, how frequently contains pattern, and whether one pattern occurs more often than other pattern. Common question analyst would posit. There has been much attention from both academia and industry to develop the analysis tools focused on the temporary event and the temporary patterns. The electronic health record is the best example for the pattern search algorithm. The electronic health records have gained much attention in recent years. The SQL type of pattern searching is using for a retrieve the data from the extraordinary or personal history event is easy to consult the patterning. The patterning maintaining the lot of the information to filter the one-way method to using the SQL queries. The pattern some many involve negativations, for example diagnosed with the breast cancer, and some may be even more complex with no prior history of the heart problem, later diagnosis with the high precision received no treatment, and finally experienced a heart attack. While the typical model to do this takes a form for the searching. The common line languages such as SQL is interpreted to the patterning searching event. The step explained to the modeling of one or more algorithm used, but the best way to the SQL is a very good way to the filtering of the value and record for the personal history event. Let us see the main part of the algorithm. The pattern phase is searching for algorithm to filtering with some most of the stroke, the nose just fine. Bypass searches is known. The contribution to the result is the considered to the best result of the filtering type. The temporary pattern search algorithm is separated to the query wise, separate to the event files, and separate to the record wise. This is the data flow diagram for the pattern search algorithm. It's the best diagram. You should define the data extraction for the personal history. You should extract the data from the personal history event to the filtering and the splitting of the definition. The definition of the data, extract from the data list and record the details to store to the database result and records or filtering to the RNP type. The RNP is to tables of patent the extracting data. Then how to search the patterns of records is matching to the RNP. Is S is handling represent for R or P. The presence is condition to the filtering one way. Then another one is handling the absences or P. Is suppose is not matched. Is called the no. This is the observations. This is not matched to the pattern derived to the database to considerably with the query wise. This is the data flow diagram. This is the project of TPS. This is the main page of the TPS. The corner is the exit button to the exit the project. So contains a lot of the icons and graph. The graph is the pattern search graph. This is three ways to separate the icons. One of the data extractions, the data list view, the data pattern search, and the CHP chart pattern or BH chart pattern. CHY the chart pattern. The CHP is mean for the chest pain, or the ORP the blood pressure. The CHY is cholesterol chart patterns. The first of the model is the data extraction. This is the data extraction forms can contain the browser file. The browser file to the extract from the file for the devices. The extract patterns and the weave the extract data from weave to the extract the file. First of all, we extract the file to extract this. The selected device to the text file go to, then searching for the text file. You see the hot text open. The view button is used to the extract the data from add to the database and listed to the retrieve from the data from the database and listed to here to view the record for the database. Then I click the view. This is the record for this specific file path is stored to the database. The database contains for the lot of the forms and fields database. This is the account for the patient. patient ID, the age, this is the chest pain type. So chest pain type is 4, arrest blood pressure, then cholesterol. This is the data extraction from the TXT file. Using to extract the data, then go to the home. Next, the data list view. The data list view. Next, we want to extract the data from the database. This is the available fields: age, CP chest pain, or with the blood pressure, the cholesterol. This is the specific available field for the patterning and searching. I click the age and then click the specific record. Use the lot of the records. For the age 40, I check the 41, the 41, age 41 result is exactly result from the database. I check another one, 70. Next one is a CP, the chest pain. I click the chest pain. Chest pain is content to the 4 type. We have explained to the 4 type for the chart. This is the 2 chest pain type of 2 patient or listed in data grid. This is chest pain. So another example for chest pain is 4 or 1. I check it to the 1 patient, same as the RPP is a blood pressure, contain the lot of the value to the mg/gl. I check it view. So only one patient is the age 5, and the blood pressure is 180. And check it another one, 65 or 165 is another one. This account is there. Next, the cholesterol level for the patent. We already check the blood pressure and chest pain and the age. For the data list, this is the data list view to the separate for the available field. Next, this is the main form of the data pattern. Next, go to the data pattern search. First of all, we have the list of the available field. First, we check to the CHP and RRP, the cholesterol. We have taken the field. We have the search pattern to the age wise. First, I follow the CHP, then click the add. The observation is added to the CHP. CHP means your chest pain. This is row, but this is row. Some more taken the false. You have removed the text. Then add. This text, the manually input is not allowed. Check it. In the value field is click the value. For the field is CHP. Is check it CHP field. We have selected the CHP. We have filled the CHP is read only operator. Then we have the find operators. This is the searching to operator. We have using the between equal to, greater than, is blank, less than, not equal to. We have taken now is between value. I fill the value for the CHP is a 4 type. I give the T and 2 types. I have the searching. Okay, we have the sensor event is closed. Observation CHP 2 between 3. Baseline event. We have same to searching for the CHP, the baseline, almost the same as the remove. The add CHP. The CHP is a 4 type. I taken also the between using. This is the decimal value. You give the decimal value for a 3.0 first text and lowest value to the second text. This is the correct format to searching the patterns. I search the same as 1.0. This is between value. I click the working. This essentially event is added. Next, go to the search. This essentially event. I take this essentially event for 2 and 2 CHP. CHP is just fine type. I taken 3 and 2 baselines. You check it up to 3 and 2. Otherwise, anything type is intended. No. This 2 baseline event. The observation CHP 1.0 between the 2.0. I switch to 1, 2, 3. This is the baseline event list. Check it. Just print type. This is the decimal value. Put in the decimal value 1, 2, and find out the resolution for the value, and you have the easily managed to the database from easily retrieve to the data from the find out the just pain type. This is for the just pain type CHP. Yes, this is the patterns algorithm. This is the 3 part is over. The next with the chart part. The CHP just pain chart part. Yes, this is the just pain chart part. The 4 type is there. This is the chart type. Filling for the age wise, and for the 4 type. Feed the record from the next column or BP chat pattern. The cholesterol is this is the cholesterol. We have the cholesterol 0 to 500 levels, almost to the 450. This is the level to identify the age wise. The serum cholesterol is mg or DL unit. This is the unit. This chart explained to the ages for a 0, so the 42 is the level of the about the 250. This is the easy to find out the graph. This is cholesterol level pattern algorithm. We have finished the TP. Thank you.